Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, episode number 59, Chaffles for Life. Today we're making a no cheese carnivore backslash keto version. Today you're going to need a mini dash, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of pork rind, 1/2 a teaspoon of baking powder, about a half or about an eighth teaspoon or a pinch of salt, 1 egg, and 1 tablespoon of water. And that made 1 Chaffle, by the way. And it called for melted butter, but my butter was really soft anyways, and it was a Kerrygold brand butter that I used. And the King pork rind is a great company. I get that off of Amazon, and they have the regular flavor without the seasoning. And this one happened to be the Italian seasoning. And there's the heaping tablespoon according to the research that I did. And then I put about an eighth of a teaspoon in of baking powder, and I mixed it all into the pork rind. It was kind of really weird because I didn't really think this was going to come out, and but to my surprise, it was okay. To me, it needed a little more seasoning than when I had in there from the pork rind, and definitely be making this again. But it's a good alternative if you're really doing carnivore and you don't want to eat the dairy product or the cheese. Just a friendly reminder that eggs aren't dairy, even though they're sold in the dairy section, and so you're perfectly fine to have this on carnivore. But it was, and there's some people that have like a tolerance to cheese and they can't eat cheese. So if that's falls within your category, this would be great for you as an alternative. And we're continuing on with the Chaffle playlist and moving along very well. And then I just put a little bit of water, about a tablespoon. And I don't know what this theory was behind putting the water in here, but I'm just following along the instructions. And here I was just mixing it all up the best I could. And I thought it was going to overfill on the mini dash, but that's why I always put my little device on a paper towel or in this case, a paper plate. And then at this point, I had already had the dash already preheated, and I didn't need to spray it because it had the butter in it, and there was just pouring the mixture right over there. I thought maybe I was going to get 2 Chaffles out of this, but if you want 2 Chaffles, you can always double up on the pork rind and add another egg. But definitely, I would just if it was just me doing this other than with the recipe, I would probably put 2 tablespoons of pork rind in it, and the 1 egg, and then you probably would have gotten 2 Chaffles out of it. And you can see how liquidy it was when I put it on top of the mini dash. And then when I was thinking how it was shown over here an example that it was overflowing on top of the mold. And then I closed it, and less than 3 minutes later I had this perfectly really nice tasting Chaffle. And again, maybe a little more salt to this, or perfect. This would be perfect with an egg and some bacon or something like that, and or sausage even, and a nice little sandwich. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you're watching, put some more amazing recipes, and you guys have an amazing day. And thank you for all your subscribers that subscribe to my channel and to continue to watch and support my channel. As soon as we get into the monetization part of it, we'll start doing some giveaways for you guys. But anyways, have an amazing day. Hope you had an amazing week, and see you in the next video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Did I say that already?